Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make shrimp with pea pods. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make shrimp with pea pods. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 1 pound of 1620 shrimp. They're going peeled and deveined. I have 1/2 cup of chicken broth, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar or sake, 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoons of sugar, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of neutral oil like vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and about 8 ounces of some washed and dried snow peas. Let's get to cooking. Alright, as we always do, we have our mise en place all ready to go. We have our wok. We have all of our ingredients that we're going to need for this. We got our shrimp, our garlic, and our ginger, salt and pepper back there in our pea pods. I have our utensil that we're going to use to stir all this. And then in the back, for a second process, we have our soy sauce, our sugar, our broth, and our wine in a bowl that we're going to mix that sauce into. That is in the recipe, of course, down below in the description box. But let's go ahead and set it up right on our wok here and get locked on this, and we'll start cooking. Forgot to mention we do have our rice cooking in the back as well. All right, I got the wok going. I just want to hit it with a little bit of liquid. All right, we are got sizzling. The wok is hot. I'm going to add the oil in, and we're just going to throw our shrimp right in there. These are 1620, which means you get 16 to 20 shrimp per pound, and this calls for 1 pound of shrimp. So I am just going to get these in here. We are going to let them turn a little color, start letting them cook. You just want to keep these kind of separate. You don't want to bunch them all up. Just let them cook a little bit. See, they're starting to turn a little color. There we go. When they start turning orange, we can keep them all down in here too. About 2 to 3 minutes. You just want them to get a little color change on there because we are going to continue to cook them as we keep continuing to cook the meal that we're making here. So actually, while we let that go, instead of me playing with the shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken base that we made, our chicken stock, I mean, our sake, our soy sauce, our sugar, and the cornstarch. We're just going to mix this up, and we're going to put it off to the side and have it ready to go for what it calls to add it in the recipe, but we've got that all ready to go. Our shrimp is continuing to cook. Pull the ones that are kind of cooked up and put the other ones down. Still getting used to this wok. I've had it for a while, but it's a little smaller than what I'm used to, but it does the job. You just want to get a little color change on all this just to start the cooking process. All right, they're curling, the color has changed. I'm going to go ahead and put our garlic and our ginger right in there. And then we're going to start stirring this up. Maintain a high heat on this at all times. Most of the shrimp have cooked and curled. I'm going to go ahead and add our snow peas right in here. Stir this up as well. Get it all mixed up. And then we're going to go ahead and add our mixture of the chicken base, the sake, soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch. We're going to mix that right in there. And we're just going to stir fry this. This will thicken because of the cornstarch. Alright, we can see, let me pull some of this out of the middle. You can see that sauce has thickened. All that flavor in there with the pieces of garlic and ginger. Our shrimp has turned color and it is all curled up in the fetal position. So this is ready to go. I am going to go ahead and turn off our heat. I'm going to let this just sit in here for a minute. I'm going to continue to turn it as it's there. It is done. Now I'm going to plate it up. Once our rice is done cooking here, I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. We're going to take some photos of it for social media. We're going to throw those pictures into this timeline right here with some really groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we are going to taste this, so don't go away. Alright, well that was some beautiful photography there. That food is a heck of a subject. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Got that shrimp right there. This is fantastic. That shrimp is tender, but it's crispy. That sauce with that garlic. I did add the pepper later. I forgot to do that, but I added the pepper to it. That really added a little bit of layers of flavor to it. But that sauce just clings so well to that shrimp. It just thickened perfectly. Let's try a couple peapods here. Crispy. They suck up a lot of that flavor as well. There's some cashews on here, just to give it some crunch as a bite. This is so easy to throw together. Don't worry about time. It's quick, it's easy. You can even buy rice that's pouched up. So all you gotta do is throw it in a microwave for 90 seconds. I know they have rice like that, but give this a try. This is awesome. Great meal for after work when you don't want to do any cooking. Just throw it together. It's easy. It's very, very tasty. And as you can see from the photos, a very beautiful meal. Take care of yourself. I'm going to clean this mess up. You guys have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you like this channel and also share it with everybody you know. God bless. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.